probing using both teams to score or over 1.5 on their own, but the odds are low, right? In this video, I'll show you how to combine both teams to score with over 1.5 goals to boost your chance and win bigger. So we'll be focusing on the French 1 League, and we'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Metz vs Lyon. So checking the last 5 matches, you can see that on December 22, 2021, or 2 goals were scored in total. And the market of which we'll be focusing on is there both teams to score, and we say yes, both teams will score. So here you can see that our market worked because both teams did score 1-1. Moving on the next match, May 8, 2022, you can see that both teams scored it also right here. Because 5 goals were scored in total and both teams did score 3, the other one scored 2 goals. Moving on the next match, you can see, January 7, 2023, you can see that the both teams scored did work again, guys. The market did work here. The market did work because you can see that the end did score 2 and the other team did score 1. So guys, seems like this market is working pretty well. Review on the next match, November 5, 2023. You can also see that our market did work. Our market did work, guys. This market did work 4 times in a row. It did work 4 times in a row. So moving on the next match, February 23, 2024. You can also see that 3 goals were scored in total. Lyon did score 2. The other team did score 1. And our market did work. Our market did work. So guys, as we are analyzing, right, you can all see that our market did work 5 times. 5 times. Our market did work 5 times. Checking the last 5 matches. So this shows us that our market has a high chance of winning, right? If you try to bet using this market, you could win. Because as we check the last 5 matches, this market did work in all of those matches. So guys, right now be moving on the over 1.5, and when we need main examples in the following teams, which are Paris FC vs Angers SCO. So checking the last 5 matches, seems like it's only 4 matches. Okay, checking the last 4 matches, you can see that on October 28, 2006 guys. Okay, you can see that 2 goals were scored in total, so over 1.5 did work here. Our market did work. We are the next match, April 7, 2007. We can see that over 1.5 market did work here because both teams did score 1 goal. So moving on to the next match, September 2nd, 2023. We can also see that our market did work again here. Our market did work again. Over 1.5 market did work. Guys, this market is working. And check, even though the teams did play like if you check here, 2006, and the third match is 2023. You can see that the market is still working, even though the teams have a long time not playing. So moving on to the next match, April 27, 2024, we can also see that our market did work here because 4 goals were scored in total. And the market of which we're obviously focusing on is over 1.5. So here you can see that our market worked. So guys, as we're analyzing, you could see that our market worked 4 times in a row because only 5 matches or played, so our market did work 4 times in a row. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.